Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man.
Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my garden and to my channel. Yaje here, super excited because today I will be sharing with you how I harvest and save the seeds of the vegetable known as the waterleaf plant. Waterleaf is a culturally important vegetable for many tribes across West Africa and Central Africa as well. Harvesting, first of all, the water leaf, it produces these purple flowers. They are closed now because it's in the evening, but during the day it's open, very beautiful flowers. And then after it produces the flowers, it produces the seed pod. That is this swollen thingy right here. That is the water leaf seed pod. This is what contains the seeds. Now, if you don't harvest the seeds like right now, what will happen is they're going to burst open and spread everywhere in the garden. In fact, I think some of them have already, they've already burst open, but we want to catch them like right now. So how you can tell that the seeds are ready, they are mature enough to harvest, you can just open one of them, which I will show you right now. So when I open this one, the seeds will be black on the inside. See that? So, see the black seeds? They are mature. So if I don't harvest them now, they're all going to burst open in the garden. So what I will do is go ahead and just harvest the seeds, and then I will show you how to save the seeds.
I still go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So this is what I was able to harvest, the water leaf seeds. What I will do now is take it inside, put it in a dry place, like maybe in my pantry or somewhere in the garage. It's going to dry up completely, and then it will be easier to get the seeds out of the seed pot. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I will keep you posted. If you want to see the dried and packaged seeds, then just keep watching the channel, watch this space, subscribe, and I will share with you how I actually collect the seeds and save the seeds. So consider this part one of the video.